All right, let's dive right into it. 99's watermelon, 99 proof. This is going to be 49.5% alcohol by volume. All right, let's see what we got. Watermelon Jolly Rancher, right off the bat. It's okay. Who doesn't like the watermelon Jolly Rancher? Also, that has a little pink hue to it. I can see it from here with the way the light hits it. There's a little pink to it. So I like that. Let's get you guys your nice little shot here so you guys can take a look at that. Got it? Good. Let's dive right on into it. Yeah, watermelon Jolly Rancher. It's very candy. Um, astringent. This one looks like it's dangerous. All right, let's get it. Only good as a mixer. Don't drink it on its own. Here's why. Not that it's not disgusting. To me, it's delicious. But again, I have a very interesting palate, right? I'm not pretentious. I'm like, it's refined. No, I got an interesting palate. Here's why you should never drink this by itself. It tastes like it's sweet, but real close to the rind. A lot of people don't like that. It's got this earth tone to it, and it really tastes like real watermelon. And a lot of people, majority of people, the masses like a more artificial sweet watermelon. And that's why I said don't drink it on its own, use it as a mixer. Other than that, it's pretty tasty. It's got good texture. It's a little thick, so that means it's gonna stick with you. Fantastic addition to your mixing on your bar. Again, grab this if you're trying to do really refreshing, fruity tropical drinks. Like I don't know, Sex on the Beach, Maui Sunsets, all sorts of. There's so many damn different names for like really tropical drinks. This would complement it perfectly. All right, guys, we'll get you out of here. Hope you enjoy.